Y'all already know what we're about to do today. So I look a little crazy, like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm looking a little bummy right now. And y'all don't want to see what's under this bonnet. But, y'all, I got these wig caps, got my glue, my melting spray, and my wig. And we're about to just get straight into it, y'all, because somebody! He needs some milk. Done tremendously. Hold on. What the fuck? Why my head just back lower than what they were before? Hold the phone. Shit. Ow, what the fuck? I'm sorry. It's getting scalp. Install, I ain't gonna lie. Thanksgiving's coming up, right? Because Thanksgiving's next week, and I can't be looking crazy when Thanksgiving time come up. So I got me this ginger wig. I can give y'all a link. I forgot where I got it from, but I can give y'all a link. Got this ginger wig or whatever, and I was like, why not make a little video of me installing it? So I guess what we're gonna do, make a video installing it. Clock it, y'all. But I never, so this is gonna be like my first time installing like a wig for real. Cause y'all know the last wig, that was a reinstall. Like it wasn't really me cutting lace and doing all this and that. You get what I'm saying? So putting this wig on, it's gonna be my first time like cutting the lace, you know, doing all that. And yeah, so it's gonna be a little new, but that's fine. Cause as long as you got, you know, our no Google, TikTok, and yeah, YouTube, you can get it done. So this shouldn't be a problem. Just if I'm fucking up bad, just like
tell me.
If it look bad,
Tell me.
cause like I'll take it off. It's very light, very see-through. And my head's pretty big, so we need some one size fits all. If this don't be fitting me, I'm gonna be mad. Oh, I think it fits. Oh. Wait, cause I'm gonna have to put on another one because like, oh my god, I look crazy. But now we're about to just, what the f? Why my head just back lower than what they were before? Hold the phone. Oh shit, not messing with this. Okay. Who that?
Today's challenge, we broke the course elements in 4 stages. All roll the pillars, the rope swing, and the red balls. Completing stage on your first try is worth 5 points. And each roll costs for playing movements with 5 balls equals 0 points. At which point, you gotta pack up and move on to the next stage. The competitor with the most points after all 4 stages wins the A and B belt.
Guys, I think it's ready. Let's just do a little test. Test strand, test strand, test strand. Hold on, I couldn't tell the difference. Oh, yeah, I put the glue too low. Yo, I look like somebody granddad with a nose ring. The fuck? Oh shit. Y'all, it's a little too low for my liking. Hold on. Hold on, guys. What's going on? My nails don't make it no better. Ow, I just cut my skin. Am I bleeding? Nah. Ugh. Hey, y'all, if y'all follow this wig cap method that I just did, hey, don't do the glue where I did the glue. Maybe be a little bit more smarter. Put the glue a little bit back, trust. Ow. I said, I just poured some thick shit in my cup and it looked like pink. Hey, alright, let's keep going. Just keep swimming, just ouch. And just don't try this at home, for real. I'm not even joking. This is dangerous. Let's give this a test run. Okay. Oh shit. Now let's see, hold on. Like I want it to be like right there. My forehead is big. Not even gonna lie. My forehead, like right there. So I do need to go back some more. Why y'all so close? Chill, back up, down. Close ass. Anyways, back to this. So, unfortunately, this does need to go back some. Yeah, finally I cut it back to like a good part so I can do this correctly. Now let's add some makeup. This alcohol on my eyes burning. I mean, you can tell I put makeup on it, but like, probably not gonna see much of it. And they say it's like better to use like, I'm using my contour. I'm not even saying I'm not even going down. I'm using my contour, so. I'm not really using my contour. That's good enough. And I'm only using my contour like my like outskirts, like the tips be darker than like the middle of my lip. Just don't even listen to me. Use whatever makeup y'all can use. So yeah, just don't let it be light or brighter than you, please. That's gonna show. Okay, makeup on. You know what time it is. Make sure it's on the middle of your head, and then cut the ear tabs. You should, yeah, I'm about to say you should be able to rip it off. Ear tabs off, but I'm trying to make sure. Okay. Boom shakalaka. Your wig tabs is now cut, and that is like perfect. So then now you're gonna flip it back and get ready to put your glue on. So I'm not even gonna hold y'all. My wig stayed on during that party, and I'm about to put y'all on to what I use. I don't really know if this is a good glue or not. I'm not, like I said, I don't do wigs, so I don't know if this is a good glue or not. But I use this, because I use even spray, so I was like, this shouldn't be that bad. So I got even lace wig adhesive, extreme for hold, and I just do not that much. I dab it on like a piece first to see if it's coming out. Okay, I just put it like right in front of the wig cap because I don't want it to glue the wig directly on the edges. I already said I don't want to lose my edges.
No. What the fuck?
Where's and y'all can use. Now just bring it back, like push it back. Okay. And then y'all gonna let it dry clear and then put on another layer. I do 3 because I still got school. And that school ear, you're not gonna clear it. So I just push it all back and then I do 3 layers of glue. So let that dry. And I'm about to use this to put on glue. You just do it until it gets tacky. Now we're gonna do 1 more layer because I think I'm just gonna do 2. Because it don't, y'all, this glue don't look like a dry clear to me. I don't know. That's one thing that was throwing me off when I did my ingredient style. I don't even think, first of all, melting the lace was probably gonna be the hardest. Like literally, I don't think even gluing the wig on is the hardest. I think melting it is probably gonna be the hardest. Drop it down a little, girl. Drop it down a little. Y'all just, there we go. Later. Give me a second. So it can really dry. Boom, boom, shakalaka. I said a boom, chicka boom. I said a boom, chicka rocka, chicka boom. Hold on, y'all. I'm just about to read things into it. Ow, what the f. Ugh. Take this off, y'all. Clock that. So chillax. Chillax. Be calm. Be calm. Would I be an instigator if I go out there and be like, yeah, mom, you tell me? Yeah, so this is what it's giving so far. We're about to put some even on there. Like, like that. I just know this wig band is probably gonna take the thing with it. Let's clean my face a little bit. There's something. Oh, my eyes burn. There's something in this liquor. Oh yeah. Okay, so it's giving scalp. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, that's good. There's something I cannot see. This is a lot. Okay, y'all, so that's what we're looking at right now. But we're about to do a little flip over. Like, not even flip over, but we are about to, like, hot comb it back a little bit. Mind y'all, I ain't even watching no tutorial. I'm just eyeballing this. Okay, y'all, so this is it. I added some foam noodles to the thing to curl it up a bit. But like, this is the wig. Is it eating, guys? Is it tea? We're not even going, who cares about this side? Like, for real. Exactly. Nobody. Because you're not even going to see it. So, let's not even worry about that. No! I got it! No. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry right now. Your life is so boring. My mom wants me to wet this whole thing. Like, I do not feel like that. I just want to go to bed. BRB. Awesome. This is the wig. Hold on. It's loud. I think I ate. Like, for my first real install, I ate. I'm not gonna lie. And not following no tutorial or nothing. I ate. I only followed a tutorial for the edges. But that don't matter. I ate. Period. But this is gonna be the end of the video, y'all, because yeah, I don't got nothing else to do. And I'll see y'all next video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Comment down below if y'all want to see more, you know, new things, like me trying new things, because I can definitely do that. And I'll see y'all.